The OWASP community has published top 10 vulnerabilities for AI. But finding vulnerabilities is the just initial stage. Now they release missing part, the Generative AI Security Solution Guide. It's more than a list of tools. It represents the fundamental evolution from DevSecOps to LLMSecOps, Agentic SecOps. Hi, this is Murli Thulam. In this video, let us discuss about OWASP Generative AI Security Solution Guide important points. Let us see that. Now let us see securing generative AI. OWASP guidelines, let us see that. So before discussing these points, first let us see, so what is OWASP? OWASP is a non-profit organization, and here they are trying to identify risks, top 10 risks, industry standard. So web application, how to secure web applications, and also mitigations and awareness programs related to our security. Let us go through this website as well. So here you can see, so this is the website. So OWASP, so here different projects are there. And as of now, we observe web application related things. You can see these are all different projects you can see. So OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. So all traditional scenarios, you can see that. Top 10 vulnerabilities, you can see. So here you can go through this. And also they keep on updating these methods as well. And also see, these are all different projects, different areas you can see that. Mobile application security, right? Modern security code rule set, right? Web security test guide, different projects. And also just see different chapters as well. These are all different chapters you can see. Now they launched this one, OWASP GenAI security project. This is a separate project, you can see that. So here they identified some vulnerabilities as well. Initially they identified some vulnerabilities. So this is a project, let us open first. So this is a project, genai.owasp.org. So this is a security you can see. These are all areas you can see. So let us see that. So these are all areas you can see. And now also just see resources also. These are all different projects you can also see that. And just see, they identified top 10 risks as well. Here you can see. 2025 top 10 risks mitigations for LLMs and GenAI apps. Now, so let us see next steps. Risks they identified, OWASP top 10 critical risks. But after identifying how you are going to provide the solutions, if you observe within the market, so many tools are there. It is confusing to choose the right solution. And also these are all roles you see. These are like whatever solutions they are representing. Developers, data scientists, as well as DevSecOps, AML, and so on, different team members, security leaders. And then, so here, let us try to observe two areas, let us see that. So one is application types and scopes, let us see that. So cloud-based LLM platforms, let us see that. So if you observe Azure, so there is an Azure platform. So within the Azure, you can see, right? So this is a AI Foundry. Within the AI Foundry, you can see, right? This is the AI Foundry, Azure AI Foundry. You can start using cloud-based LLM models. So here, how you are going to provide the solution, security. And also let us go through a PPT also. Next one is self-hosted. Suppose if you are trying to host your own LLM models, so within your on-premises, right? Also custom-based, hybrid also you can see that. And then next, 4 types of Gen applications. Static prompts. So just see simple apps like chatbots, and these are all things. Okay. So here risks like prompt injection, these are all risks. And similar way, agentic AI apps. So here these apps will take decisions, their own decisions, and also they will try to interact with the other systems as well. So here, how you are going to provide solutions. And similar way, plugins. Suppose if you are trying to integrate some CRMs or complex applications. These are all different types of applications. how you are going to provide the security, all these areas. So here, OWSP, they listed all the solutions. And now just see, they're all roles. You can see that initially, if you observe like DevOps, development operations, automation, right? And after that, MLOps, machine learning operations. Now we are saying LLMSecOps, how we are going to secure your LLM models, even agentic AI applications. Now, next one, let us see, this is a framework. So it is similar to DevOps, right? Plan to release, plan to monitor. Each and every stage, how you are going to secure your AI lifecycle, right? Your LLMSecOps or agentic AI SecOps, how you are going to secure. These are all things will be addressed in that provided guidelines in our OWSP documentation as well. And also you see, they are all different areas. AI-specific security solution. The first one, let us see firewall. It is similar to your web application firewall. You see, if you observe this cloud, this is the web application firewall. How to protect your web applications. So here you can see that. So here they are going to follow OWSP guidelines, but here they provided separate guidelines for AI solutions as well. So similar to a web application firewall. Web application firewall for your LLM models. So previously we observed traditional application firewalls, but here you can see web application firewall for your LLM models. And also you see different areas like guardrails, like prevents. So biased content, unethical responses, and all these things, how you are going to restrict, right? So these are all things they are going to address that. And after that, AI security posture management. So continuous monitoring, detecting issues, as well as complaints also. Just go back to your Azure documentation. This is the official documentation. So here you can see that. AI security posture. If you observe here, two areas. One is development lifecycle, another one is runtime protection. Right? Cloud ops security, as well as cloud CSPM and cloud threat protection. So all these areas, how you are going to provide. So here you can see that. Okay. So how to identify risks and how to reduce that. These are all things they are going to address that. Also, next one is vulnerability testing. So these are all areas OWSP or AI. This is the documentation you can see. Generative AI, agentic security solution landscape. This is the one they release. They keep on updating this landscape also. So let us go through this landscape as well. And also let us see traditional security, like similar to traditional security scanners, they're suggesting some models, scanners also. So overall security, firewalls, guardrails, as well as security posture management, as well as our agentic security and scanning. These are all areas you can see. And sample vulnerabilities, just see whatever identified the vulnerabilities, just see here. So these are vulnerabilities, they're all sample vulnerabilities, just see. So top 10 risks they identified. You can go through this documentation also. So here you can go through this documentation. So here they mentioned top 10 vulnerabilities also. These are all things. You can say top 10 LLM risk coverages. So these are all tools, you can see that. Now, if you observe here, so the role is similar to your DevSecOps. How you are going to secure your entire SDLC stages. Similar way here, how you are going to secure your agentic apps or LLM models. So we are calling LLMSecOps as well as agentic SecOps. So in this way, they are providing some guidelines. Please see the description for documentation and full playlist. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe for more videos like this every week.